On a river cruise, you'll see these skyscrapers, restaurants, shops located along the Chicago River. They call it the architecture tour. And right before the end of the tour, the boat will go out on the Michigan Lake just far enough to see the Navy Pier and this skyline, and those towers are what we have seen during the tour. After the 90-minute boat tour, we went to Gino's Pizza and tried their dip dish, which is very famous in Chicago. From the pizza place, we are now going to the Millennium Park. We're just gonna walk up there because it's only about 15 minutes away. We didn't bring our car anyway because parking here is really hard to find. It's just sitting in the hotel's garage. But if we need a ride, we're just gonna call over because it's more convenient that way. Another option to get around is to rent a bike like these ones from Lyft. You need an access to the Lyft app so you can unlock these bicycles and start using them. They're nice. They let us through. When you are crossing the street or driving, just be careful, especially during rush hour, because everybody here just cannot wait and there's a lot of people here. Chicago is the third biggest city in the US. We made it to the park safe and sound, and you are looking at the two crown fountains that are made out of glass blocks with two LED screens facing each other, and the screens are projecting the faces of some of the residents of Chicago. And we are here at the front entrance of the park, which is located at the Michigan Avenue. Oh, there's so many people here.
Oh, this is popular.
Obviously. It's gated. You can't get to it. So unfortunately, we cannot get close to the beam. There's this fence around it, but there's still a lot of people. So at least they're open. I can see our reflections.
Yeah, I see me. There's so many things you could do at this theater. Those glass doors open up, you know.
Yeah.
And they got speakers, suspended speakers back all the way to the rear, and lights.
Yeah. So there's this long and winding road here. We're gonna go there and see where it will take us.
Somebody's got a big job planning all this.
Yeah. BP Bridge connects Millennium Park to Maggie Daly Park, and if you keep going to the east, you'll see the Michigan Lake. In addition to the bicycle, you can also rent a quadricycle like that one to go around the lake. We are now walking around here at the Michigan Lake on our way to the hotel. We're going back there to get some rest and eat dinner. Tomorrow we will visit the Willis Tower. It's not working? Hello, test mic. It's not working. So here we are at the lower level of the Willis Tower. You're gonna go through here if you have a regular ticket, but if you have an expedited ticket, you can just get into the elevator and get to the 103rd floor to see the sky deck. That is where we're going once we are done here. Look at this. It's the Willis Tower. Pretty cool. Oh. This is where we went last night. Oh. This river can be found right behind a building across the street from the Willis Tower, and the Willis Tower is just right behind us. You just cross the street from there, and then you'll find this river. This is part of the Chicago River. The boat tours come through here. They turn around over yonder. They come back here and stop at the loading station that can be found at the Riverwalk. You ready?
Yeah.
We're just kind of exploring right now.
So in the old days, the guy would sit in this building all day and he'd watch for boats to come up, and then he'd lift the bridge up.
Oh, are they still lifting that bridge?
Yeah, but it's only twice a year now
Why?
because it's too disruptive. See, there's a light on it, and there a guy would sit in there
Yeah,
and he'd lift the bridge up.
and the bridge is over there.
1927, this was built.